D&M Toy Club. Are you subscribed? Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. This video is going to teach you how to count to 10. We are going to count from 1 all the way up to 10. And let's get started, and then we get to talk about each tool and see what it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, guys. We counted from 1 to 10. So now do you guys want to take a look at these tools and see what do they do? Let's do it. Really quick, you guys pick up our power tools. Got the drill and the saw. My two favorites. Okay, guys. Oh, all right. Let's get back to counting and seeing exactly what these things are. Okay, so we have this one is our famous axe with the orange color and the green top. This is used to chop down trees and chop down wood. This is super sharp on the tip, and it's called an axe. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's move on to our next one. The good old-fashioned hammer. Everybody loves the hammer. And we've got actually a couple of sizes. This one is the Mega Hammer, Black & Decker Smacker, and then the miniature version. See how small it is? Really tiny and cute. That is the hammer. This one is really cool. The drill, our famous drill, just like our super duper drill here. Tiny drill. This one is electric. You pull the trigger, and this is a Phillips head. And what does that work? Notice that fits the Phillips head screw. That's right. This is specialty made to go inside of there. And then it screws in the screw and makes it go around and around. That is pretty cool. I know. All right, and then we've got our adjustable wrench. And how does it adjust, guys? Do you know? See this part right here? You move that up and down, and this moves with it. It can open and close and hold. It can grab onto nails and screws and all kinds of really cool stuff. Now what else we have? This is just like that one actually, but it's a different version. It's smaller. But that's the piece right there. You see it? That moves this piece up and down, and you can tighten all kinds of stuff with that. And we've got our hand screwdriver. This is our Phillips, which is just like, let me see, where do we go? There it is. Just like our drill, but you do it with your hand. It's manual, and it's called manual. And that is the Phillips tip that goes right inside of the screw. See how it turns it around? You got to do it with your hand, though. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I know. Then we have our adjustable wrench. Look at that. You can move it for different sizes. See how the different sizes it makes? And you can make it close. And this is used to tighten up any kind of screw. And you go clockwise or counterclockwise. That is one of the coolest tools that we have. So let's take a look at one more, and then we're going to do another video of hide the tool. Hold on one second. Let's take a look and see. There it is. It is our saw. This is one of my favorites. I love saws. And that actually can cut into wood just like that. How cool is that? Alright guys, remember, if you want to be a D&M Toy Clubster, you've got to subscribe, you've got to hit that magic red button, because you get a chance to see all of the new videos that we're going to make. Bye guys! Hey guys, we got this awesome tool set. We're going to take a look at some new tools today. We've got our bulldozers and our cement trucks. We got our drill and hammer. Let's take a look at all of our cool toys. Let's do it. Alright guys, first up we've got our pliers. These are really cool. These are actually sharp enough to cut any type of screw or nail. simply put it inside that opening there and snip it. And that cuts up. These are pliers. Let's take a look at this one. This is our file. This is our metal file. You take a file, you put it on the end of a nail or a screw, and you file it down straight. This is one of the coolest things we've got in our tool set. Next up, flathead screwdriver. You want to know why they call it flathead? Because it's flat. That's right. It's flat in the front. See? There's nothing like it. It's not like a Phillips. This is called a Phillips screwdriver. Because it's not flat in the front. It's got 4 sides. Flathead and a Phillips. Now let's take a look at our drill. This thing actually works. Check out our drill. You ready for this? Pretty cool drill, huh? This baby can almost screw in a screw. But it is a toy. It's not real. Gotta check out our hammer. The next one is our hammer. And of course you know what we do with hammers. Ow. Okay, that's not good. Now we've got our saw. That's right. These blades are so sharp they could cut through anything. I definitely could use that on some wood, that's for sure. Then we've got our wrench. It's actually two-sided wrench. One. And believe it or not, you can actually use this side too. Very cool. It comes in different sizes. Let's see if we can find a different one. Yep, we did. There it is. Oh. See that one? Same type, but only bigger. Look at how big it is compared to this wrench. It's huge. Now we have our small hammer. Look at the size of this little guy. This one's tiny for little jobs, and this one is big for big jobs. Little, big. Alright, let's move on to our next tool. And we've got our miniature saw. This one's for wood. You can cut wood with this. This one actually cuts metal. You can cut metal with this one. This is the type used only for wood. Wood saw, metal saw. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. Move on to our ball peen hammer, it's called. It's got 2 different, it's like a mallet on one side and it's curved on the other. This is different than this one. The traditional hammer. You see this part right here? That part pulls out all the nails if you make a mistake. That's right. So what else do we have? We've got our adjustable wrench. This baby, this one's the coolest. Because it actually adjusts. You can open it up. You see that opening? You simply move this little piece right here back and forth, and it opens and closes its mouth. It's an adjustable wrench. Number 89, 68. Cool stuff. This is different than this one. You can adjust this. This one's not. You can't adjust it. Adjust that one. Alright, let's go move on. Oh, this is another type of, this is like a plumber's wrench. These are for big jobs. When plumbers tighten up pipes, when they're working on your sink or your tub or your toilet. Ew, toilets. This one works amazing. Again, you can adjust it right here, and it opens and closes. Little mouth. Very cool. Alright, what else do we got? Our last piece. Our awesome handy dandy light. Does it work? Oh, you bet it does. Oh yeah. Get it outside. This one's pretty tough. Well, that's actually what it's called. Tough. The tough light. Now, this one is a 2-sided wrench. But both sides, this one and this one, can be used to tighten up screws or bolts or lug nuts of any size. As long as it fits inside. It's gotta fit inside there. And let's take a look at what we have here. This is one of the coolest in the toolbox. This adjusts for measurements. Take a look at that. Let's get close on that one. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Slide it down and measure it up. So how big is that? I don't know, but I can take it and measure it. Oh, look. It is 3 inches. Damn. This one's used for measuring. Alright guys, if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Share my video with friends. Remember, you gotta subscribe. Hit the subscribe button because I've got all kinds of cool videos coming at you. Bye guys.